This is day 27 of recording, I guess. So, I've been laying in my bed after coming from college, and I'm on a fast, so I'm so tired of it. And I just thought I could try to figure it out how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I know how to solve two layers of this, and I, I haven't still figured it out. The third layer. I learned to solve the two layers of this when I was in sixth grade, and I have tried, and now I'm just trying because I was bored, and I think it's much better than school. I've been watching videos on YouTube how to solve this, and I feel like it's very complicated, and I don't know. Maybe I'll figure it out. So let me try. I just did this. I've been trying to do this for a few minutes. I was just frustrated that I couldn't do this. So I hope I can solve this sooner or later. So let me watch the video and I will figure it out. Maybe not today, but someday.